Hey everybody, it's Jack, and I want to give you a quick update on where the market is because we've had just so much crazy news come out and such wild swings. This is the most volatile market I've maybe have ever seen. And I say that because it's not normal to see stocks move 4, 5, 6% or more in a single day, and now we're having that even with stocks like Target and Walmart and along with all the tech huge moves. So let's just take a look at where the broad market is first. And the very first thing I like to look at is ticker SPY. And this is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. I have my chart set up to default as just a 6-month time frame. If you look at a stock's chart the last 6 months up until today, you're going to learn a lot about the trend or lack of a trend. So we'll start off with the broad market. You see here where it sold off. That was a real vicious sell-off. We had a little gap right there, and all gaps need to be filled in going forward, and this one has. And now the S&P is just resting in a bullish position above all 3 trend points. The short term is in green, the intermediate term trend point is in blue, the long term trend point is in red, and it's a nice 45-degree angle. So the broad market, as defined by the SPY, is slightly bullish. It's not at all-time highs, right? It'd have to get up here. But it is bullish, and that's going to set the tone for stocks also being bullish. Now let's also just confirm this one more time using DIA. This is an ETF that tracks the Dow Jones, and it's kind of in the same position as the SPY. It was shockingly a lot more volatile going up, also down. And now it's above all 3 trend points as well. So technically it's bullish, but again, it's not at new highs. And then we're going to triple check the whole thing by looking at QQQ. This is an ETF, tracks NASDAQ, tech heavy. And you could see it really got sold off. This one went below the long-term trend point. So this is the most volatile of the 3 indexes, QQQ, which means tech is the most volatile sector right now. But again, it's not making new highs, but it is bullish. It's above all 3 trend points. So then what we want to do is we want to look on this trend point list, stocks heading up, and we want to find something trending as good as possible. These are all making new highs and trending higher. But let's take a look at a couple of this is a great trend right here in GoDaddy. It's a great trend in GoDaddy right there. This one's been in a great trend as well. You see them popping up on the same list every day. Let's take a look at some of the common ones. Everybody always wants to know. Tesla is in bad shape, my friend. Really bad shape. Apple is bullish, not making new highs. Look at that sell-off and how the market, it just recovered so strongly. Everybody and their brothers throwing in the towel on this thing, and it bounces so hard. Caught a bunch of shorts as well, short squeeze going on there. Amazon, that's not the same thing. It never recovered. We got a crossover to the downside of the trend points. Stock dropped below the long-term trend point, and it is really struggling. And let's look at the big daddy of them all. You know, this stock, Nvidia, trades hundreds of millions of shares a day, right? Apple might trade 50 million, whatever. Nothing has the volume that Nvidia has. And you got to be real careful on this one because these guys think they're smart. They want to short this thing, and there's going to be some problems. I've never seen a stock that's more of a coiled spring right now than Nvidia, and I expect this one to pop. I'm long. I'm not telling you to be long. I'm just telling you that's what I got. That's the market update. That's where we are right now. Keep up the good work.